Hazelnut, nutrient-rich goodness and heart health. Introduction. Hazelnuts, also known as filberts, are delicious, healthy, and nutritious nuts that have been loved throughout the ages. They're not just an ingredient that is versatile within the kitchen, however, they also provide many health advantages. In this post, we'll explore the health benefits of hazelnuts and the ways they can benefit the health of your heart. Nutritional profile. Hazelnuts are a great source of nutrition that is essential for the overall health of our bodies. They're a great source of nutritious fats, fiber, proteins, vitamins, as well as minerals. 1 ounce of hazelnuts has around 180 calories, which makes it an excellent option for people who are watching their weight. Heart-healthy fats. One of the most important elements of the hazelnut's nutritional description is their high content of healthy fats for the heart. They are an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid. It is associated with lower the bad cholesterol level, LDL, as well as reducing the chance of developing heart diseases. Integrating hazelnuts into a healthy diet will help to improve the health of your heart. Antioxidant powerhouse. Hazelnuts are a rich source of antioxidants that are essential in defending our bodies from cell damage caused by damaging free radicals. Research has shown that antioxidants in hazelnuts can aid in reducing inflammation as well as the level of oxidative stress that are associated with a variety of chronic illnesses, such as heart disease. Vitamin E. Hazelnuts are among the most abundant source of vitamin E, which is a fat-soluble vitamin that has potent antioxidant capabilities. Vitamin E assists in protecting the blood vessel lining by preventing the oxidation process of LDL cholesterol and also decreasing the chance of the formation of plaques in arterial blood vessels. Incorporating hazelnuts into your food plan can be a tasty method to increase the amount of vitamin E you consume and help support your heart health. Minerals and fiber. Alongside antioxidants and healthy fats, hazelnuts are also rich in nutrients and fibers, both of that are vital to keeping a heart healthy. They are rich in magnesium, which is essential in controlling blood pressure, as well as copper, which is essential for the creation of collagen and elastin, 2 proteins that help support the blood vessel structure. Additionally, the amount of fiber in hazelnuts can help reduce cholesterol levels as well as aids in digestion and promoting the health of your heart. Scientific evidence. Many research studies conducted by scientists have served to study the impact of hazelnuts on the heart. A study that was published within the Journal of Clinical Lipidology found that eating a diet rich in hazelnuts significantly decreased total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, and blood pressure in people who have excessive cholesterol. A different study that was published within the European Journal of Nutrition concluded that the regular intake of hazelnuts helped improve the biomarkers of cardiovascular risk by decreasing inflammation and oxidative stress. How to incorporate hazelnuts into your diet. There are many options to relish the benefits of hazelnuts as part of your everyday food regimen. They can be added in yogurt, breakfast cereal, smoothies, or other breakfast foods for an energizing and healthy start of your day. It is also possible to incorporate them in baked items such as cakes, cookies, or breads, increasing the taste and the nutritional worth. In addition, hazelnut butter could provide a wonderful alternative to spreads that are traditional that provide a delicious flavor and nutty aroma, as well as heart-healthy advantages. Conclusion. Hazelnuts aren't just an excellent snack, but they are also an ideal addition to your heart-healthy eating plan. They are loaded with antioxidants, nutrients, and healthy fats. Hazelnuts have numerous benefits for health. Integrating them into your daily routine will help reduce bad cholesterol, ease inflammation, and improve general heart health. If you're in the market for a nutritious snack, grab the hazelnuts in a pinch and enjoy their deliciousness and take good care for your heart.